Hi, welcome to this video on how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. First, log in both your Hostinger account and your Shopify account. In your Shopify admin panel, go to Settings and click Domains. In the Domain section, click on the existing domain. Enter the domain name you purchased from Hostinger and click Next. Shopify will provide you with DNS settings including a CNAME record and a record. We'll need to update this record in Hostinger account. Now go back to Hostinger account and select domain and click domain portfolio and select the domain you want to connect to Shopify. Then go to manage your domain DNS. You can delete existing CNAME and TXT record if it exists. In this case, no record, CNAME record and TXT record exist in my domain. Now add this record with Shopify provided value. I am going to fast forward this video till it's done. Now go back to Shopify and click verify connection. Shopify will check the update DNS settings, which may take a few minutes to propagate. On Shopify verifies the domain your Hostinger domain will be connected to your Shopify store. Your website is now live with your custom domain. But now I did not get a Shopify subscription, that's why they are showing this notice. But if you follow this step properly, your domain will work perfectly. So that's how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.